A drone is an unmanned aerial vehicle, or a UAV, that is usually controlled by a human. Drones used to be used mostly for military applications, but now their use is rapidly expanding to commercial, scientific, recreational, or agricultural. There are two different types of drones. One is the fixed-wing UAV, and the other is a multi-rotor UAV system. The multi-rotor UAV has four motors. The motion of the motors are spinning in the opposite direction. This causes lift so that the drone can fly. They use a flight controller board to keep the aircraft stable. You can control the motors by remote control. There is usually a camera at the bottom of the drone so you can see where you are flying and take nice aerial view pictures. These drones are mainly used for photography, recreational use, and commercial use. Fixed-wing UAVs look more like airplanes. They need a good amount of power to fly. They have a DC motor which creates thrust so the drone can fly. It has an elevator, aileron, and a rudder to stabilize the vehicle. Airplanes have these same parts. The whole drone can be controlled by remote control. The fixed-wing drone cannot stay still like the multi-rotor, but they can go longer ranges and are much faster. They are mainly used in the military. There's a very good chance that drone delivery will be a thing soon. The drones could deliver medicine or other stuff like pizza or Amazon packages. Currently, Amazon is working on their drone delivery system. They want to make it so that they can deliver packages that are less than 5 pounds in almost 30 minutes. Amazon thinks drone delivery will improve efficiency, but it will take a while before Amazon can fully set up their delivery system. The main problems of drone delivery are drones can't reach everywhere. For a drone to be able to deliver a package safely, there can't be any obstacles in the way, and it needs to have an open space to land. So this means drones will be very limited to where it can deliver stuff. Another problem is that it's a limited distance to where the drone can deliver items. Another problem is people just come and steal the drone and the package while it's being delivered, since nothing to guard it. The biggest problem with drone delivery is getting approval to fly the drones around. I'd say Amazon's biggest problem is with the FAA and getting permission to fly them. I would say the main ethical issues are that if drone delivery becomes a thing, it will cause many people to lose jobs, like, for example, pizza delivery man, or maybe a Amazon truck driver. Drones won't just be used for commercial use, but they'll also be used for helping countries in need. In Ghana right now, they have implemented a drone system which they will start delivering medicine, use drones to deliver medicine all around the country. Though it is more expensive than delivering by road, it is quicker and it could help save many lives. So locations that are hard to get to by truck, now they can get to them way easier, deliver the medicine there with drones. So even though drone delivery has its issues, I still think it's a really great idea that just needs to be worked on a bit better. But I think we could see it in a couple of years to come.
The Canadian Air Force currently only has unarmed spy drones. However, they are hoping to purchase armed ones within the next 6 years.
I'm finally taking a scrum.
Thank you very much for speaking with me.
It was an open call for a weapon system typically shrouded in secrecy.
We need UAVs for a number of reasons. Surveillance is one.
General Vance made it clear it was time for Canada to pull the trigger.
In my view, there's little point in having a UAV that can see a danger but can't strike it if it needs to.
I hope that we only use these on actual military targets and not civilian centers. Another concern of mine is that this may make surveying us, the Canadian population, much easier. However, having unmanned drones would make defending Canada a much easier job and ensure that less pilots have to risk their lives.